Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Are you ready to dive into the mind-blowing world of AI tools? Whether you're a content creator, business owner, or just someone who loves cutting-edge tech, we've got some incredible AI-powered solutions that'll revolutionize the way you work and create. Let's jump right in. First up, let's talk about AI-powered content creation. Imagine having an army of writers at your fingertips, ready to generate SEO-optimized articles in seconds. That's exactly what tools like Byword and SEO AI offer. Just input your topic and boom, you've got high-quality content ready to go. But remember, while these tools are amazing, quality still matters. Google's not going to fall for fluff, so make sure you're using these AI assistants to enhance your creativity, not replace it entirely. Now let's explore the world of automation with Zapier. Think of Zapier as your personal assistant that never sleeps. It's like having a productivity superhero working for you 24/7. The best part: you don't need any coding skills to use it. Just tell Zapier what you want in plain English, and it'll automate everything from social media management to writing cover letters. It's that simple. Ever wish you had a lawyer in your pocket? Well, with Do Not Pay, you've got a robo-lawyer at your service. This AI-powered legal assistant is perfect for fighting corporations, saving money, and cutting through red tape. From contesting parking tickets to canceling unwanted subscriptions, it's like having legal superpowers at your fingertips. Here's something that'll blow your mind: voice cloning AI. Yes, you heard that right. Now you can clone your own voice for personalized content or accessibility purposes. Imagine creating endless amounts of content without losing your voice. The possibilities are truly limitless. Last but not least, for all you video creators out there, we've got AI video editing tools that'll change the game. These smart editors analyze your footage, understand the context, and deliver a polished product. It's like having a professional editor working around the clock, ensuring your videos are top-notch every single time. So what do you think? Are you as excited about these AI tools as we are? They're not just cool gadgets. They're game changers that can boost your productivity and creativity to new heights. Whether you're looking to streamline your workflow, create more engaging content, or just explore the cutting edge of technology, these AI tools have got you covered. Remember, the key is to use these tools to enhance your skills, not replace them. Embrace the AI revolution and see how it can transform your work and life. We can't wait to see what amazing things you'll create with these powerful AI assistants by your side. Thanks for joining us on this AI adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated on the latest in AI technology. Until next time, keep innovating and stay tech-savvy.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe.